stuck here on the grass, where the pavement never grows. Now the liquor tasted good, and the woman all were fast. There she goes, my friend, again. She'll be rolling down at last. Hear the mighty engines roar, see the silver wing on high. She's away and westward bound, far above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall and the sun always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down. It's no earthly good to me, and I'm stuck here on the ground. It's cold and drunk as I can be. You can jump a jet plane like you can a freight train. So I must be on my way in the early morning rain. You can jump a jet plane like you can a freight train. So I best be on my way